little Seal Point boy. I just want to say good morning. Yes, oh, close up, selfie. If you look over here, there's my siblings. There's my mama. Hey, little one. Hello. You are so precious. Look at you. Hey. Yeah. What's that you say? Huh? You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Look at me. Smile. Smile. I didn't know kittens can smile. Where you going?
Sailor, the one I'm petting right now, his eyes are the bigger blue ones. Sebastian, he's Sleepy's. And Sebring, he's the black kitten. They're all boys. They're about 6.5, 7 weeks old. Very friendly. They all love